In this video, we'll show you how to change your WoodMart logo. Okay, let's go. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on WoodMart Header Builder. In this page, you can create your own header and choose your default header. Click wherever you like the logo on there. Searching the logo and click on. Click here, upload your logo, and you can change your size of logo. Save your setting and save your header. Go to your home page and refresh the page. That's it, your logo has changed. Let's do for phone version. Again, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on WoodMart Header Builder. Click on Default Header, click on Mobile Version, searching logo and click on. Click here, upload your logo, change your size of logo. Save your setting. Go to your home page and refresh the page. That's it, your logo has changed. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video, comment and subscribe the channel.